Good morning, folks. Good morning. We're going to start with the Rolling Stones. Beast of Burden. I'll never be your beast of burden. My back is broad and it's hurting. All I want is for you to make love to me. I'll never be your beast of burden. I walk for miles, my feet are hurting. All I want is for you to make love to me. Am I hard enough? Am I rough enough? Am I rich enough? I'm not too blind to see. I'll never be your beast of burden. So let's go home and draw the curtain. Music on the radio. Come on, babe. Sweet love to me. Yeah. Am I hard enough? Am I rough enough? Am I rich enough? I'm not too blind to see. Oh, little sister. Pretty, 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 pretty girl. Such a pretty, 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 pretty girl. Pretty, pretty, such a pretty, pretty, pretty girl. Come on, baby, please. I tell you, you can put me out on the street. Put me out with no shoes on my feet. But put me out, put me out, put me out of misery. Hey! All this sickness, I could suck it up. Throw it all at me, I'll shrug it off. There's one thing, baby, I don't understand. You keep on telling me I ain't your kind of man. Ain't I rough enough? Woo, honey, ain't I tough enough? Oh, ain't I rich enough and love enough? Oh, please. I'll never be your beast of burden. I'll never be your beast of burden. Never, 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 never be. I'll never be your beast of burden. I walk for miles, my feet are hurting. Now all I want is for you to make love to me. Yeah. I don't need no beast of burden. I need no fussing, I need no nursing. Never